Have you ever walked into your bathroom and immediately thought, what is that smell? Even after cleaning, even after using air freshener, that weird, stubborn odor just refuses to leave. It's embarrassing, frustrating, and honestly confusing. You clean the toilet, scrub the sink, wash the floor, yet the smell keeps coming back. What if I told you the problem is not your cleaning, but the place you're ignoring? And what if I told you there is one simple trick that fixes bathroom odor instantly, without expensive sprays, without deep scrubbing, and without daily effort? Stay with me, because once you know this, your bathroom will never smell the same again. Before we reveal the trick, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss smart home fixes like this. Why bathroom smells come back again and again. Most people think bathroom odor comes from obvious places like the toilet bowl or trash bin. That's why they keep cleaning the same visible spots. But bad smells don't live on surfaces. They hide. Moisture, warmth, and trapped air create the perfect environment for odor-causing bacteria. Even a bathroom that looks clean can smell bad if these hidden zones are ignored. Until you fix the root cause, no perfume or spray will ever solve the problem permanently. The hidden odor source, nobody checks. Here's the truth most people don't know. The main source of stubborn bathroom odor is usually the drain. Floor drains, sink drains, and even shower drains trap hair, soap residue, body oils, and moisture. Over time, this buildup starts releasing unpleasant smells. You don't see it, so you forget it. But your nose never forgets. This is why bathrooms smell worst after humidity increases, like after showers. The one trick that fixes bathroom odor instantly. Now here's the game-changing trick. You only need baking soda and vinegar. That's it. No chemicals, no expensive cleaners. Pour half a cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Then slowly pour 1 cup of vinegar on top. You'll hear fizzing. That's not just noise. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. Instantly, the source of the smell is neutralized. Why this trick works so fast? Baking soda absorbs odors, while vinegar breaks down organic residue. That's why the change feels immediate. Many people are shocked when they realize the bathroom smells fresh without using any air freshener afterward. Where exactly you should use this trick. Don't limit this trick to just one drain. Use it in the sink drain, shower drain, and especially the floor drain if your bathroom has one. Doing this once a week keeps odors from ever forming again. It's lazy, fast, and incredibly effective. The toilet isn't always the problem. Here's another surprise. People waste time scrubbing toilets harder and harder, thinking they're missing something. In reality, the smell floats upward from drains and spreads across the room. Extra lazy tip for long-lasting freshness. After fixing the drain odor, place a small bowl of baking soda behind the toilet or under the sink. Baking soda naturally absorbs moisture and smells from the air. Why air fresheners fail over time. Air fresheners don't eliminate odor. They fight it temporarily. That's why bathrooms start smelling worse once the fragrance fades. Over time, scents mix with bad odors and create an even more unpleasant smell. Fixing the source is always better than covering the symptom. This one drain trick proves that simple solutions beat expensive ones every time. The moisture problem most homes ignore. Bathrooms are humid by nature. Moisture feeds bacteria. Always ventilate your bathroom after showers. Even opening a door for 10 minutes helps. Dry environments don't allow odor to survive. Fix the source, not the smell. A bad-smelling bathroom doesn't mean you're dirty or careless. It means you were cleaning the wrong place. Once you fix the hidden source, everything changes. This one simple trick proves that smart cleaning is always better than hard cleaning. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this trick helped you finally fix bathroom odor the easy way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more smart, lazy, and powerful home hacks. Share this with someone who's tired of bathroom smells, because some problems only need one smart solution.